Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare medieval eggs with fennel flower sauce from Anonimo Toscano's Libro di Cucina and Maestro Martino's Libro de Arte Culinaria, written in the 14th and the 15th centuries. We start with ingredients. We need eggs, fennel flowers, and spices, cloves, nutmeg, cardamom, and saffron. Instead of the flowers, you can also use other parts of the fennel, such as the leaves when they are very tender, or the seeds, obtaining a slightly different result. Fennel flowers, like other types of flowers, are common in medieval cooking. We find them as an ingredient in sauces. But Maestro Martino also reports a recipe for flowers dipped in a batter and deep fried. Anonimo Toscano, who wrote the recipe for the sauce, doesn't specify how to prepare the eggs, only that this sauce must be served with eggs in September. Anonimo Toscano's sauce is a little different from other medieval sauces, which usually add a liquid ingredient that gives a little acidity to balance the sauce. We find, for example, vinegar, wine, and verjuice, which is the juice of unripe grapes, as well as an acidic juice such as lemon juice or orange juice, which is very common in egg recipes. In addition, medieval cooks usually add pepper to spice blends, which is not present in this recipe. Other ingredients used in medieval sauces include bread without crust used as a thickener and salt, as recommended in the Tractatus de Modo Preparandi et Condiendi omnia cibaria et potus. We grind the cloves, nutmeg, cardamom, and 2 pinches of salt. Then we add the fennel flowers and 2 hard-boiled egg yolks. We pound them and dilute them with a little warm water, in which we have steeped the saffron. Our translation of Anonimo Toscano's Libro della Cucina, complete with an introduction and a glossary, is available on Amazon, where you can also find 2 other medieval sources, Johannes Bockenheim's Registrum Cuquinae and Antimus de Observatione Ciborum. On Patreon instead are available the translations of Maestro Martino's Libro de Arte Culinaria and the Tractatus, in addition to several articles on medieval food and other translations of ancient and medieval sources. A list of our books on historical food is in the description below, along with the links to buy us a beer and purchase our merchandise. We chose to fry the eggs sunny side up, following the recipe for ova frittellate reported in Maestro Martino's Libro de Arte Culinaria. But you can also flip them and cook them on both sides. Both methods were used in the Middle Ages. You have other possible choices, for example you can hard-boiled or scramble the eggs. We fry 2 eggs in olive oil and serve them with the sauce. This dish was incredible, with the flavor of the eggs enhanced by the sweetness of fennel and the well-balanced spiciness of cardamom, nutmeg and cloves that gave it complexity and a great flavor. An amazing way to prepare eggs that would have been enjoyed in medieval times during the days of the vigils, when meat wasn't allowed for religious reasons, but can be tried every day in our time as an amazing addition to our meals. If you're interested in ancient foods and flavors, subscribe our channel and consider supporting us on Patreon.